Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Explicit Wellness. Yes, today you all, I am going to be making that Cardi B dip. Yes, it's all on TikTok and it's on YouTube as well. So today I said I wanted to try it. So let me tell you the ingredients that you will be needing. You will be needing 3 cups of sour cream. I have 3 cups of sour cream here. 2 blocks of cream cheese. You need 2. You also will be needing 11 to 14 ounces of jalapeno peppers. I know she used a different type of jalapeno pepper, but you can get any type of jalapeno peppers you want, the whole or the slices, but this is the one I chose, okay? You also will be needing 2 avocados, 3 squeezed limes, 3 limes, cilantro here. You'll be needing some cilantro. You will be needing 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and you will also be needing chicken bouillon. And what I did, since these are cubes, what I did was I used 5 of these cubes, and I just pressed them with my big sharp knife, so it became a powder. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and buy the powder packages, you can, but hey, all you have to do if you have the cubes is just press them with your knife, your big knife, and it will become powder just like this. Okay, and I used 5 of those cubes. And you're gonna need your chips. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm back. I have everything set up and open. So first, like I said, we're going to need 3 cups of sour cream. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the blender. Three cups of sour cream. Ooh, I hope this is good, because they was like, ooh, I've seen so many pictures on TikTok. And I'm surprised she didn't put any cheese in it, because when you say dip, a dip has cheese in it. Majority of dips does, okay? Now this, what's it, 24 ounce. And then I just got a smaller one, which is a 16 ounce. This should be 3 cups. That's what's going to give it that creaminess, along with the avocado when it all grinds up together, blends up together. Ooh. Make sure you get all that goodness out of there. I love sour cream, even though it doesn't have a taste to it. Get all your money worth out these containers, because food is going up, y'all. Food is going up. Sure is. Okay, next we're going to be putting in the cream cheese. 2 blocks of cream cheese, okay? Cream cheese. You all see how full my blender is? I think I am going, what I know I am, I'm going to use my taller size blender here. And I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I have already added the 2 blocks of cream cheese in there, and the sour the 3 cups of sour cream. And what you see I had to get a bigger capacity container because my Ninja comes with 2 blender containers, holders. And as you can see, it's filled up to the top. So what I did, I went ahead and blended it. And it's still full. So the next ingredient is the jalapeno peppers, which is 11 to 14 ounces of jalapeno peppers here. They want you to pour the juice in, okay? I'm going to pour a little of that juice in there. And I'm going to scoop out some of my jalapeno peppers. I'm not going to put this whole thing in there because I know how hot I can stand the heat, okay? So I'm just going to put not as much. Some people love hot food, spicy foods, but you know if you can stand the heat or not, okay? So I'm going to put as many in there as I can and that I know how much I can take, okay? Because I want to be able to enjoy this dip and not be too spicy, but it's supposed to be spicy, don't get me wrong, okay? Now, we're talking about the jalapeno peppers. Now, they use the whole jalapeno peppers. It's about the same name, if I'm not mistaken. Name brand. But, yes. Okay. And that's how much I use, if y'all can see it. Half. Okay. But they use the whole container of 11 to 14 ounce container, okay? Next, we're going to be needing 2 avocados. The 2 avocados. And I'm going to just take that goodness out of there and put it in this blender. Make sure you're getting all your avocado out. When I picked my avocados, I tried to make sure they were a little soft so they won't be as hard when I was trying to open them and scoop this goodness out, okay? And this is what's going to change the color too and give it another texture along with the sour cream and the Philadelphia cream cheese. Lord, let this recipe be great and let it not run over that part. 2 avocados. Coming out pretty good. And as I put, that's good. The consistency is good. Well, they can just go on down in there. Alright, Cardi B, let me see what you're working with, girl. Okay, next, we will be needing to put our cilantro in there. We have plenty of cilantro. Okay, the cilantro. You put how much. You can put more or less. It depends on you. Whether you like cilantro like that or not. It smells so good. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and blend this up for now. And I'm going to start back with the other ingredients just to give myself a little room, okay? Okay, you all. Okay. I have blended that up. And as you can see the little cilantro in there. Avocado has turned a little greenish. Okay, now we're going to go to our seasonings, which is 2 tablespoons of black pepper. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of black pepper. That was 2 tablespoons. Did I say tablespoon? Well, anyway, it's 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and the next ingredient is the chicken bouillon, okay? The chicken bouillon. And like I said, I had the cubes, and I think she just had 1 package, but what I did, I had my cubes, so I took out 5 cubes, and I just pressed them with my knife, okay? Now, we need our 3 squeezed limes. We're going to need these. We're going to squeeze it in here with our just gonna squeeze that in there like that, like so. This is what's going to make it, because that lime, any type of dip, especially Mexican food, it puts me in the mind of that. Yes, it does. I'm going to use my squeezer here. And that completes all the ingredients, you all. And I'm going to blend again, and I will be back. Okay, you all, I think the dip is ready. Just a couple more pushes on that Ninja. Take this top off here. You can hear the compression. Ooh, look at that. Take this off. I'm gonna have my bowl here. Bring it down so you all can see it. And you all, it makes a lot, as you can see. Now, I could not put my lid on my container, so what I did, I just poured some of it out, and I'm just gonna pour that goodness back in there like that, just like that. You all see it? It's a good consistency. And like I said, you still have a lot left over this container here. You still have a lot left over. So this is your dip. And where are my chips? You see? Give it a taste test. It is good, you all. You all, it tastes so good. The consistency is just right. It's not too much heat. It's good. I will be making this for a party, and I can save this for the weekend. But you all, this dip is everything. It's everything. Yes. I wish you all could be here to taste it with me. Yes. Cardi B, you knew what you were doing. And this is so flavorful. You can taste the cilantro, the cream cheese. It is good, you all. You all give this recipe a try. Please do. Give this recipe a try. You will love it. You will love this recipe here. You won't go wrong. You can't go wrong with it. I'm just going to put a couple chips right here on top. And there you have it. That famous Cardi B dip. Thank you all for tuning in to Explicit Wellness. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And share this recipe, and I hope you like it and make it. Thank you all for watching Explicit Wellness. And you all have a great rest of the day.